I'm Linda Ferguson of NLP Canada Training, and this is my new book, Shifts, a Toolkit for a Better You. It's available now at indigo.ca and through local booksellers if you special order it. Why would you want to go to the trouble? Who has time to read? Well, you have time to read this book because it's written in short, easy sections with practical techniques that you can test right away against some of those sticky problems that get you stuck. Problems with your level of focus, your ability to read other people, your levels of energy and willpower. The book takes those problems and shows you the tools to work them loose so that you can be a happier person, a better leader, and a more effective communicator. Don't trust me, test me. Buy a copy of Shifts and try a few shifts of your own. I'm Linda Ferguson, NLPcanada.com.